What I want people to know about the RSV vaccine during pregnancy is that it's one of the safest, easiest and most effective ways to make sure that your baby is protected from day one of their life.
I'm here with Dr. Maria, who is a GP and knows all too well about RSV and the impact on the community. Now, we were chatting to people in the community and it was quite interesting. There is definitely two camps when it comes to people feeling comfortable with their maternal vaccinations.
When it comes to finding trusted sources of information, how do you filter through that stuff online?
My doctors, really. I'm not a professional in research, so I trust that they're the ones that have done the research and they know what they're talking about.
It can be quite difficult to find reliable sources and information. I typically see if it is a government website, that's something that I trust. Certainly wouldn't be looking on social media for opinion-based evidence.
It's definitely GP's referral, but I don't just stop there. I definitely have to look out, more information online for myself and social media, because it does break down the information in a way that's easily digestible and puts it in terms that I actually understand.
Especially with social media. I mean, how do we know that we are making the right decision or getting the right information?
That's a really good point. Social media information can be really overwhelming, and it can go either end of the spectrum. It could be good value information all the way to not. If you're ever in doubt about whether the information you're hearing is credible or from a credible source, I think the best thing to do is to bring it to your next antenatal appointment and have a chat with your healthcare provider, because they're there to guide you through what is the right thing to do for you.
Being new, the RSV vaccine, can you tell me a little bit about, whether or not it's safe during pregnancy?
As a doctor, I know the evidence. But as a mum, I can absolutely get that sense of hesitation when it comes to even thinking about doing anything during pregnancy that can affect our precious babies. Pregnancy is a time when it's completely normal to question whether what you're putting in your body is safe. You're carrying this precious bundle and that baby means everything to you. And as a mum, I get that. And what I would say to these people is, it's absolutely okay to bring these questions to your GP. And if I was your GP, I would tell you that the RSV vaccine is completely safe, it's undergone rigorous testing, and it's already being used in a lot of other countries. And it's safe to get at the same time as those other vaccines that you're already getting in pregnancy, like your whooping cough and your flu vaccine.
So if you're pregnant or planning to be sure to ask the question about the RSV vaccine and all of the other vaccines, in fact, during your appointments. They are free on the National Immunisation Program. And of course, if you want to find out more information, head to health.gov.au.